Oh, it'll be easy to find Emily in the lazy river. There's like no one in it. There's things there. I'm surprised their lazy river's not bigger.
They were able to make it like this.
Or if they built the second one, they built the second wave pool.
Honestly, for us, it's like had to work in Gondola.
Go get them McDonald's and all the truck.
Tecnológicas en nuestra área. Por su seguridad, por favor abandonen todas las atracciones, piscinas y áreas al aire libre de inmediato.
Other 3 times, but now I'm like, I have to go to Prague to keep me up.
I'm one of the few who didn't do
Do we go forward or backwards? Backwards, okay. Alright. Alright,
Hi.
you gonna get in?
Yep. Really?
It genuinely might be the worst coach in the world for me. If it was violently shaking.
Oh. I was thinking toboggan like.
Weird word choice. I rode it in like 2017. I'm a very different.
What are we doing now?
We
go down to the floor pool?
Well, we can go down here because we can like base camp here.
Yeah. Lots of fun.
I've met him briefly, but you know of his channel and stuff.
Oh yeah.
He you know, is originally from and probably planning on going back next year anyway.
Okay, it's not too
It's actually a productive trip in return. Getting the QR code to actually work, but I still could only use Alipay back to Taipei.
Okay.
Delta had been running these, hopefully, I'm hoping to have them again next. Using Alipay the rest of the time, you can't search on there. Pretty much like, for example, let's say at the entrance of the mall, rainstorm, it's supposed to be raining everywhere within, let's say, about a 6 to 7 hour radius of Shanghai. Just for Roman U to get the Canoning clone with the cable lift, but the malware was closed, and their website or like. I had issues in skipped motion gate because they never had rides open the 2 days it rained. But Happy Valley Beijing's
They close all their coasters early?
was supposed to be open till 8:30. They closed the ride starting at 4:30 p.m. And then stayed at Universal Beijing till closing. But we didn't do that. I think the other is if I'm going to spend multiple, like, done it once. I don't know if you have you done Winter Trom yet? Oh, there's your to-do list. The biggest inconvenience was Guangzhou Sunak.
So get a picture of the tube belly.
I'd expect nothing less. Okay, you want me to be honest of why it's happening now? Like, finally? Everyone else is doing it, you have to. Wonder how long this ride is. It's gonna be better than during the scenarios. It's a good park. It is. Like, I didn't re-attempt the Jersey. For Europe, I'm there for like 17 days or 20 or something. I think it's going to cost me like 60 something bucks for unlimited for that period of time. Oh, that's not the slide. I'm going tribe was successful though. Have fun. This time, but I've done it before. Thunder Dolphin, obviously. Where else did you go then? Food there, but you can't come back in. The policies on that pissed me off from nowhere. Like, I know you're... You would never go. Maybe you would go because it's open so late. There's a park in Milan called Hero Park Milano Hydro. It's about 25 to 30 minutes from Cove and 2 hours due south of Nasu. So you know, we did all that effort to get back up to Fuji-Q. Went to Fuji-Q on the Wednesday, and we Fridays. That's when I went when it was 50 cent like right. I spent $2.50 at that park.
Which
or
park?
maybe 3, Quasi. I got, actually no, I think it was $2. I got 1 hot dog, 2 wooden warrior laps, and the kids credit. That's all I did. $2. Perfect.
Yeah, this is like a chewy.
Rid of my old, like, transferred new phones. I have all the old ones. They can all connect to Wi-Fi. Whoa. Yeah, the flip.
For it.
Okay. He knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Is he going to stand up? Once it was no longer a Six Flags park, stopped visiting. I only went. Building, well, Dude, the one at Conneaut Lake is still open under those conditions.
What?
They have a haunt website, and it was updated for last year. But I was starting my trip in Croatia. I did look at it with those dates. That's problematic. It's ready.
Okay.